Hello everyone, and today is Saturday and Saturday is a review day. So if you're new to my channel, you know that I post videos on Monday, Wednesday and Saturdays, and I post videos on makeup, skin, hair care remedy and about the reviews of different products. So today I have decided to do a review on Neutrogena Hydro Boost Gel Cream, which I have been using for around 1 month. Neutrogena, this Hydrogen Boost line, they have lots of product in it, and one product they have is Hydro Boost Gel Cream, and another one which they have is Hydro Boost Water Gel Cream. The water gel cream is actually for the people who have oily skin, and the gel cream which I bought is actually for people who have extra dry skin. Now remember that I don't have dry skin, I have actually oily skin. When I bought this cream, I didn't know that it's written extra dry skin. Somehow I was so much overwhelmed by the word Hydro Boost. And because since I have moved to Canada, I have noticed that my skin it's getting drier day by day. Maybe it's because of the climate, or maybe it's because of the centrally heating system. When I see the Hydro Boost, I realized my skin, it actually needs a hydration. So I bought this cream, but before buying that, I actually also look at the ingredients too. The thing which actually attracts me and I really bought it, first the price was low, price was not high for this cream, and the second, it has hyaluronic acid. So if you know about hyaluronic acid, it's found actually all over our body in various tissues, and it's a very important part for the lubrication of our tissues. In our skin, it is involved in the repair of skin. Hyaluronic acid is present in the form of sodium hyaluride in this cream. Okay, so that was the outer packaging, and now I will talk about the packaging, which is the inside the bottle. The cream, it comes in 47 ml bottle, and when you open it, there was no protecting seal in my cream. I actually like these sort of packaging because I use it in my lots of DIY videos. I can use it as a, I can recycle it. But the problem with this package is, like, you have to put your finger inside. So it's just like, it's not a hygienic way. If this cream comes in a pump, I think it was better. If we talk about its pros, so first thing, if you see the packet, it says it's oil free, it says it's fragrance free, it's dye free, and it's non-comedogenic. That was the most important thing that I always look at the products whenever I buy, that they should be non-comedogenic. Okay, so now it's a test. You can see it's almost finished. It's been more than 1 month that I'm using this cream. The consistency is gel-like as it is said. So the consistency is so thick. Neutrogena Hydrogen Boost Gel Cream is a natural humectant because it has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid works as a humectant. So when you have any cream which is actually a humectant, so you are not supposed to apply it on your skin on dry basis. Like I have seen on lots of videos, and I have seen on lots of people review, they always say this cream, it doesn't work for them, it actually gives them a dry skin and it does not give moisture to their skin. Yes, they are right. If you apply this cream without the proper procedure, it will not give you any sort of moisture. Let me explain you what happens. Like in this my hand, I didn't apply anything. I have already applied my moisturizer, but that's okay, still it's not that moisturized. Usually I use this sort of product all over my face and on my neck, so it's too much for that small area. But I want to show you what difference it makes. So if you can see, I have applied this marker line. In this area, I have applied that Neutrogena Hydrogen Boost Gel Cream. What humectants does, their work is to lock the moisture in your skin. It does not provide you moisture. So the problem in this method is, if you applied it and after some time you will feel that there is nothing on your skin, which is actually a good thing, but it also does not give you the hydrating effect. The correct way is to either use it on a wet skin, like after cleansing your skin. Just do not dry it with towel or anything, just pat dry it, and when the water is still on your face, just apply the Neutrogena Hydrogen Boost Gel Cream or a water gel cream. What it will do, it will lock the moisture in your skin, and afterward you have to apply something else. Like at night you have to apply some night cream on over it, or you have to apply a moisturizer in day. So what I do, I'm using this Pixie Vitamin Makeup Mist. Even though it's a makeup mist, but you can also use it, you know, on your skin. And in the morning, after cleansing my skin and everything, I apply this Pixie Vitamin Makeup Mist, and then I use this small amount. You can also see if your skin is already wet, it will take a less amount of product than if your skin is already dry, because it instantly dries up in your skin. And I massage it on my skin, and even if it's still dry, what I do, I use my Innisfree anti-trouble lotion, which actually prevents acne. Usually I need a dime, it's actually more, so I will apply it on my face. And I leave it as it is. I don't do anything else. I don't try to, you know, blend it very well, because after 1 minute it will just go on my skin and there will be no sign of anything like I have applied any cream or any lotion or anything, but it's still my skin would look more moisturized. So when I was reading the reviews of people, I noticed there were lots of people who were saying it didn't work for them because it was not giving them enough moisturizer. So I don't know, they didn't write how they have used, but if you are trying to use that cream without applying it like on a wet face, or if you are trying to apply it on your dry face, it will not work for you, because Hemington does not work in this way. After applying Neutrogena Hydrogen Boost Gel Cream or a Neutrogena Hydro Boost Water Gel Cream, you have to apply the moisture after that. You are not supposed to think that this cream alone will work very well for you. It's written in the cream that you can apply it on day or on night. The most of the time I used that cream on the daytime. I didn't use it on the night time. Only three days I used it on the night time, and yes, in the morning when I woke up, I noticed my skin was looking more hydrated, and it was actually more effective when you apply it on night. The downside was that when I woke up after 2 days, I noticed there were small bumps on my skin, which was actually because of the Hydrogen Boost Gel Cream. So for me, one thing it might be I'm using the cream which is for actually extra dry skin. It could be the one reason. Maybe if I use the water gel cream, it will not give me that exact bumps on my skin or acne sort of thing on my skin if I apply it on night. But it does not give me any sort of acne when I'm applying it on the daytime. I really don't know what's the science behind it, because I was not using any other product. I just used that one because I really wanted to see either it works for me at night or not, but it didn't work for me. So if you have this cream and you think it's giving you it's giving you acne or something, just try it. Just first try to use it on a daytime, and if it suits you on daytime, then try it on a nighttime and see if it's as effective or not, or either it's giving you acne or breakouts, which lots of people they have said it's given them the breakout, and most of the people they had a sensitive skin. So in my opinion, maybe people who have sensitive skin, they somehow had breakout from this cream. I really don't know, but that was what I read other people's review before giving my own opinion. And now you can, if you are seeing this one is more hydrated, and this one is actually more dry. Still, I had a moisturizer before applying this because I just applied the moisturizer on my hand, but still this area is dry. It's not that hydrated, but this one is more hydrated. Other thing about this cream, you can use it before applying your makeup, and I swear it actually gives you a very a very glowing effect if you apply it before makeup, because I usually do it as it just absorbs in your skin, and there is no traces of any cream on your face. So your makeup, like your foundation and anything or a primer, it does not go anywhere. It just stick on your face. Before applying to your makeup, it gives you a very healthy looking skin, which was my own personal experience. For my next Saturday video, I'm thinking to do a review on CeraVe cleanser, which I'm using, and I'm also using it for more than 2 months, so I can actually give an opinion about it. In the comment, let me know what's your opinion about this cream, and either you have bought this one or you have thinking to buy one, and if you have bought, which type you have bought and what were your results. Bye bye.